Enphase Energy has put together resources and a tool for FEOC compliance. For installers, the easy way to get there is simply use the Installer tab on the Enphase homepage and click the FEOC Compliance on the far right column. This will take you to a landing page called Enphase FEOC Compliant Products. This page in and of itself is helpful, and I encourage you to read through it. Check out the table, and then very importantly below there are some links including more information about FEOC or foreign entity of concern, and also very importantly a FEOC compliance tool. Note there is in fact a similar tool in the distributor portal. Selecting the FEOC compliance tool will take you to a special login where you can enter your credentials and of course hit login, which ultimately takes you to the FEOC compliance tool itself. Now this tool has been designed for if you had an Excel spreadsheet, for example, you could select however many all at once, copy, paste, and then submit. And it will give you some basic information. Typically a check mark like this or an X recommending that you contact Enphase for more information. Once you've done your check, you can certainly do more by selecting the button to reset. We'll talk about the scan barcode button in just a moment. Also be aware below is again a helpful summary table and some important footnotes. If you don't happen to have a serial number handy or you're on your phone and would like to scan, you can set it to scan barcode mode and then take a look for FEOC compliant labels similar to these two shown here. Once you have them, scan the QRC and it will give you the same type of results as the serial number lookup itself. It's that simple, and we encourage you to use it. And of course, keep your eyes open for future enhancements. Enphase is continuing to develop more tools and resources to help you with this and other needs.